DSA Progress channel. Today we'll be solving return the largest digit in a number. So the problem statement states that you are given an integer n, return the largest digit present in the number. For example, if the number is 25, we have to return 5. If the number is 99, we have to return 9. Excuse me. If the input is 1, we have to return back 1. Now let's solve this problem. So the algorithm that I'm thinking of is, given a number, we'll get the remainder of the number. That way we'll fetch the last digit. So that the last digit will keep track of integer called max. We'll keep checking if the remainder is always greater than max. If it is greater, we'll update the max. And at the end of the while loop, we'll return the max. So to keep track of it, I'll initialize a variable called integer variable called max and set it to 0, and I have to keep track of the remainder every time for that number. So in a while loop, while n is greater than 0, I'll check the remainder by n modulus 10, and if my remainder, if this last digit is greater than my current max, then I'll update the max to the remainder. And after the if condition, I will reduce the main number by 10 so that the remaining digits will be retained, and the remainder for that would be fetched the next time in the while loop. So now so the max will have the largest digit in the number and will return back the max. That way we would have returned the max number in a digit. Let's run this. Accepted. Okay, so 25 output is 5, and for 99 it is 9. Let's submit the code. Yes friends, so all the 14 test cases have passed. Thank you.